Hello again, my friends. This is dividing by multiplying up. This is the last strategy that we used before heading off to March break. And over the March break, I did have, I think, 3 different videos posted on Seesaw where you could go and review and make sure that you remembered this strategy. So I'm going to do just one question with you today using the dividing by multiplying up strategy, and then you're going to have some opportunity to practice with the questions that I provided for you. So the first question that we're going to start with is 1,264 divided by 4. And in order to solve this question using the multiplying up method, what I want to do is think about my 4 times tables and think about what are the most friendly numbers that I can make that will get me up to as close to 1,264 as possible. And something that I know really well is that 4 times 3 is 12. So because 4 times 3 is 12, I know that 4 times 300 is 1,200. 4 times 300 is 1,200. So already, right off the bat, I have eliminated 1,200 from my 1,264, and I'm left with only 64 to work with. Now, I don't really know what number I could use next that would get rid of a whole bunch, but I'm not going to worry about it too much. I'm just going to say, you know what? I know that 4 times 10 is 40, and 40 is less than 64. So I'm going to give myself a break here and just do 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is 40. And I'm left with 24. Wait a second. 24? 24 is the product of 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 0 remainders. My last step is to figure out how much I used over here. I have to add together 300 and 10 and 6. And that is 316. And I'm going to write that right here. 316. 1,264 divided by 4 is 316. I think I'll do one more question today, maybe a 2-digit number. So I'll divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. But first, I'm going to have to get rid of all of these numbers on the page. And my new question will be, I've got 1,560 divided by 13. And to do this, I can say, okay, I know that 13 times 100 would get rid of a lot of that big number. So I'm going to do that. 13 times 100. 13 times 100 is 1,300. Oh my goodness, I've gotten rid of a lot. I'm just going to subtract 1,300 from 1,560. And I'm left with 260. Well, I know that 13 times 10. I'm wondering if there's some I wonder if I did 13 times 20. You know what? I'm just going to stick with 13 times 10 for now. I'm going to say 13 times 10. Oh, I think I could have done 20. Well, I'm going to go for it anyway. 13 times 10 is 130. Oh, and there's another 130. I know 13 times 10 is 130. And I'm left with 0 remainder. And now I need to add this, this, and this, and I've got 120 and 0 remainder. And that's it for this question. If you are still having trouble sorting out the multiplying up method for division, please feel free to go back and look at those 3 other videos that I've already posted on Seesaw. Have a look at those, try some questions, try actually writing these numbers down while I'm doing them. That will help you immensely. Sometimes you actually have to go through the effort in order to learn it. And that is it for this video. I'll see you at the next one.